Where you were whole of yesterday afternoon.
I told you where I was going.
Yes, but where you went instead.
I don't think I know what you mean.
You told me you are going to Shiva temple, no?
Yes, like I do every Monday.
Every Monday, is it?
Yes.
Nothing changes. When we were young, Jay's mother and I were newly married. We were not allowed to go anywhere alone together, especially not to see cinema. But we were allowed to go to Shiva temple. So when we wanted to see cinema, we told everyone, we are going to Shiva temple. Nobody took objection.
Bapu, if I wanted to see the cinema, I would have told you the truth.
That is because you know I will not take objection to your seeing cinema.
I would have told you anyway.
Yes, but suppose it was somewhere else. Somewhere else where you know I will definitely take objection.
Where would that be?
Harry, you know very well, because that is where you were yesterday afternoon. It was fortunate for us that it was Mukesh Bhai Patel who saw you. I can trust him, no, to keep his mouth shut. He called me at once out of concern for the family name.
I haven't done anything wrong to spoil our family name.
Yes, but you know how people there always assuming the worst.
Bapu, then you should start by reforming such people instead of pointing fingers at your daughter-in-law before you even realize.
Don't you preach to me. I know what I have to do.
I have always been taught to speak to my elders with respect. But since I haven't done anything wrong, I see no reason why I shouldn't speak up. Bapu, Chenni Amma is the oldest living exponent of the Mysore School of Dance. And she is the only link we have with the old school. She doesn't even have a single student who is dedicated enough to absorb her knowledge. She's 75 and dying, Bapu. And nobody even goes to visit her. No relatives, no friends. Yes. There is the occasional journalist or curious foreigner who go knocking at her door, but they don't do much for her. Throw her a few annas out of pity. But you know, she doesn't mind all this. She doesn't even mind being poor and lonely. What really frustrates her, Bapu, is that in her youth, she did not have the freedom to express her art. All her childhood years were spent in training, but training that she could never use. All a waste, no, for her? She spends her time now at the temple steps selling flowers. Bapu, when she found out I was a dancer, she greeted me and she pleaded. She pleaded with me to learn the art of Abhinay from her. She even tried to tempt me, saying she would teach me a few compositions she knew from memory. It was important for her, Bapu, to impart her knowledge to somebody who was worthy of it. And it was important for me to learn what she had to offer. That's why every Monday, instead of going to the Shiva temple, I go to Chenni Amma's house.
And you dance in her courtyard, for all to see.
Only those who are curious enough to peer over the courtyard walls, to see where the sound of dancing bells are coming from.
Your bells. Sound of your bells.
Yes.
Sound of your bells coming from the courtyard of a prostitute.
75 years old, Bapu.
People are peering over her walls to see my daughter-in-law dancing in her courtyard.
Yes. But dancing the divine dance of Shiva and Parvati.
You think what you are doing is right?
Yes, my husband knows where I go and I have his permission.
Harry, your husband happens to be my son. And both of you are under my charge. And it is my permission you should be asking for to dance, not his.
You would not have given it to me.
And you never will.
How are you? Can you put the mask here?
Yeah, thank you.
Happy Diwali, Beta.
Thank you for having us over.
Oh, you're welcome. कितनी सुंदर लग रही हो तुम.
You look lovely.
It's one of my own designs.
Sustainable Fashion Summit 2012 had similar designs by Sonalika Montani. You look lovely.
Thanks.
I'd like to play as well.
Are you sure? A delicate darling like you can handle playing with the big boys, eh?
I don't understand the correlation between physicality and gender in a game that requires mental prowess.
Huh?
What I'm saying is, size doesn't matter. Know what I mean?
Sam, I've got it covered.
हाँ भाई निकालते ना सब ठीक है चल
हेलो जी.
Sam, I advise you, don't call my bet. Your only remaining asset is your company's stock, which has just fallen 100 points on the index. You don't want to lose everything you have, do you?
Oh, you poor delicate darling.
क्या एक और राउंड खेलना है?
खेलते हैं.
चलो, let's play. Yeah. Your call, Trishti.
That's such a great hand.
I'm sorry.
गड़बड़ होगी, चलते हैं. ठीक है? ओके, निकल. चल, बाय आंटी.
Running diagnostic protocols.
Will she be okay?
I don't know, man. Something must have triggered her.
Compiling crash log.
Do you need my memories?
No. Let me just log into hers first.
Initializing.
Thank God for that blackout, man. Really saved our skins.
What do you think? It was just coincidence? Good timing? Who do you think did that in the first place?
Oh, come on. You did not. Ishan, that's illegal. Or Dolly auntie ka
अरे
क्या?
डॉली आंटी गई भाड़ में. The HI system was very easy to hack. It was impossible not to.
That's strange. She beat you at a game of poker right before it happened.
She's hardwired not to harm a creator.
But she just won a game.
Yeah, but this idiot thought beating me at poker was breaking the law. Let me just reboot her. Honestly, beating me at poker is not injuring me in any way. My ego can very well handle losing a round of cards. Can't you understand the meaning or import of the law? Do you have to be such an idiot while applying it?
ईशान, calm down. ऐसे क्यों बात कर रहे तू सृष्टि से?
ये कोई तरीका नहीं है लेडी से बात करने का ईशान.
Lady? She's not a lady. She's not even a person.
Look at her face. She looks like she's about to cry.
Cry?
You're scaring the poor thing.
She can't cry. तुम लोग मुझ पे चढ़े रहते हो to be nicer to her, nicer to her. When will you realize that she is not real?